Hi everyone. Today we are going to see full procedure to submit assignment of machine learning with an example of week 2 assignment. First of all, download the zip file which is set here and also copy the code which is showing here. Then go to Google Chrome in your laptop or phone. In that, search for MATLAB online. After searching, click on the first one, MATLAB Simulink. After clicking, you have to log in or sign up for the MATLAB. For that, you want an account in MATLAB. For signing up, click on Create One. After clicking, it will direct to creating page. Then enter your email address, location, which means your country, and full name, full first name and last name. Then click on Continue. After clicking continue, checkbox you have to click that. Then click on continue. Now you have to verify your email address. To that, go to your Gmail account. Then you will receive a mail. Receive a mail from MATLAB. For that, you have to verify your mail account. To verify it, click on verify option in your Gmail. After verifying, enter the password, create new password, then enter password, then your account has been created. All are doing a mistake here. They paste the token which we earlier copied in place of license number or activation key, but it will show error since the code we have copied will be useful in further when we submit assignments. Now we have created the account of MATLAB. Next step is we have to get access to the MATLAB. To do that, click on Try MATLAB for 30 days free trial. Next, enter your details under Download Trial Software. After entering all these details, click on 30 days free trial. Then you will get access to the MATLAB. After entering to the MATLAB, upload the file which we have downloaded earlier. After uploading, follow this procedure. Open uploaded file. Next it will extracted. Next open extracted file. Next open ex1 folder. Then you will get 12 files like this. In this we will do only 6 or 5. After opening all these files, click on the link given in description to ready your code. Otherwise, you can search it on Google like me. Now again come to the MATLAB. In this, open the files in a sequence which I mentioned in this video. One by one. First one, warmup exercise.m. To open it, give a right click, then click on open. Next one is plotdata.m. Open this also. Like that we have to open 5 or 6. After opening these 4 files, we have to open a file from library. In that, click on the first one, submit with configuration.yum. Open that. We have opened 5 files until now. Now we have to replace all these codes with the codes which were in websites. Now clear the code, then go to the website. Then copy the code of warmupexercise.yum from there, then paste it in MATLAB. Next, go to the second one. Same, you have to copy the code and paste it. For submit with configuration, I have give another website link in description. Then go to that website, copy from there and paste it on this. In command window, type submit, then press enter. After that, it will ask you your mail ID. Then enter your mail ID. Next, it will ask you token. Then the copied token paste here. Then your results will come. Sorry, I am unable to show you in MATLAB since I lost the footage of final procedure. But I will show you the results. Now I am going to show you the results. Click on linear regression. Then it's loading. Now it has opened and I am clicking on my submission. Then you can see the score is 100 out of 100. Warm up exercise 10, computer cost 40, gradient 50 and other we didn't attempt. So finally the score is 100 out of 100. Thanks for watching this video.